Yo, teachable moment right now. So I remember the last video I did have a comment where somebody said I said S&P follows US30 and NAS100. Pardon me, I'm very tired, but I wanted to make this video real fast, and I figured this is a teachable moment, so I hopped in here to show you that once again, the same trade from last week, guys, girls, I'm still in it. So as you can see, I'm about to hit TP almost on this one, and I won't even show you how much the trade is worth, because if I show you that, you might, people get a little upset when you do that. So anyway, I figured
out a possible change to bullish momentum. Look for a move to the upside on dollar-yen 5-minute chart.
That is the robots. The robots are working. I'm working hard on those too, by the way. Just securing a little bit more profit on these. Everything is going towards getting this done. And let's secure some profit on S&P. So as you can see, this is just the same trade. You can see where the trade was in it right here. The robot took the trade. I did not take the trade. I let the robot take the trade based off my parameters, and it did. So for those of y'all that don't use indicators or don't think robots work, you can see that this was a sell. This was going to be a loss. This was a sell. It was a very small sell, then it reversed. This was a sell. As you can see, this was a good sell. Why was this a good sell? Because the two averages crossed. Okay, they bent. They almost crossed. They didn't cross, but they bent. When you see that, you're looking at something nice. Then we hit this key level. Then it reversed. Then it went back into the moving averages. Then it dropped. Now what happened? I told y'all before, and I'm going to tell you it's the same move as the last video. The cross happened. What did the price do? It pulled off. It shot out. What did we do? Just for the people that say this doesn't work, we waited for the pullback once again, and I'm gonna keep repeating this till y'all get the move, so that way once you keep hearing it, you'll know when you see it on your chart. Once it hit here, boom, we took off and we never came back. Matter of fact, let me put a little bit more on this. And as you can see, look at this. This is the same move repeating itself over and over and over. So when I said S&P does follow US30, the trend usually is the same with indices, guys, because indices are pretty much just stocks. Remember, these is a collection of different stocks, and if they're performing, they're performing. They can't let stocks go all the way down. If they're going down, that means they have to recover at some point, or at least you have to get some kind of volatility, or people will pull out and America will collapse. So just keep this in mind, that this is a game that people play, and just keep in mind that that is the deal here. So as you can see, the robot took these trades, man. And it was a simple pullback, and we shot off and we got in, so I can't keep repeating it to you enough, but eventually you'll see it. So for the lady who asked, I believe it was a female who asked about S&P, as you can see, yeah, the move is pretty much the same on indices, as long as these indices involve a group of stocks. If it's one stock in particular, some perform, but even with stocks, if stocks are down, usually they all follow one another. So pretty much if you know you're winning in one in a buy, you'll be waiting for that same buy to show up on the other. You know what I mean? So when you see it happening, just look out for it. It's usually repeating itself if the instrument is similar. And with S&P, US30 and NAS, it's similar. S&P doesn't always do what NAS and US30 do, but as you can see, it was going down. So if you look at the chart, this is looking very similar. So yeah, so I just want to let y'all see this for yourselves, so y'all understand. NAS, US30, and S&P. It's the same move. So no need to make this video too long. I just figured I'd hop in here and show y'all this collection of pips. I'll total it up later and let you guys know how many pips it is. But yeah, just know we outside with this. We outside with this. As a matter of fact, if I go over to one of these other pairs, we can see how much is going on, so I don't even have to do this later. I could just do it right now. Nope. You know what? Let me be careful because I do not want to show the profit because people tend to get a little too caught up in that part. So we'll go down somewhere where I think it's okay. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just end it here. But just know that, like I said, you could pretty much get the same trade on pairs that trade alike. So just keep that in mind, so you don't have to break your neck chasing down different currencies and different indices. If you got one that you watch and the move is happening and the trend is strong, if there's a trend in it, which this is clearly the uptrend, if there's a trend in that move, right, you're gonna be okay with
we have a bearish breakout to the downside on pound Swiss 1 hour chart.
Nice. So that's a big trend if it's on the hour chart, by the way. Yeah, so that's it. So just a quick little update on the robots. I'm finishing them. They will be talking. They will give signals. We have the signal scanner being finished right now. We have a bunch of new things coming out, man. So just keep
we have a possible change to bearish momentum.
I'm gonna mute that because yeah, we got a bunch of things coming out just to simplify this for everybody. So anybody could start trading. A lot of you guys and girls want to get out of your jobs, and I understand. So we're gonna make this easy for y'all, and hopefully, I think by this time next week, we should be able to go to retail. Everything's being tested. This robot is good to go. Clearly, it's straight slaughtering. Like I said, if you do see yourself losing a trade, it's because you probably hopped in at a wrong time. Like I said, when you see this little bend happen right here, if you catch the first signal after that, you're usually gonna eat really heavy off that. And any signals after that, you kind of just being greedy. But hey, you may have missed the signal and you want to trade. I don't know. I know I used to do that and it don't usually work out for you. But if you catch that one where it bends, which we have the scanner that's going to tell you that, once that happens, you're good. You know what I'm saying? You're good. So I'm ending the video here, guys. I don't want to make it too long. I'm out of here. Peace.